In the oppressive darkness, Elara remains kneeling, a statue of silent defiance. Liam's unheard plea hangs in the air, unanswered, as Elara retreats further into the shadows. A subtle shift, a silent slide deeper into the abyss, marks her resistance. Liam advances, his footsteps soft as a whisper, drawn into the heart of the gloom. In the dimly lit room, Liam extends his hand toward Elara, a silent question in his touch. His fingers gently enclose around Elara's, a soft plea conveyed through the simple gesture. Liam's touch is a desperate attempt to bridge the gap, a profound connection forged in the shadows.
His voice cracks with emotion, a raw, vulnerable request piercing through the darkness. Stop! Stop for me!
The weight of his words hangs heavy in the air, a palpable tension filling the space between them. In the silence that follows, Elara is the sole decision-maker. A dim room, light barely piercing through a grimy window, shadows dancing like secrets. The air hangs heavy with dust and unspoken words, each grain a testament to forgotten stories.
Liam trembles, his voice cracking with raw emotion as he challenges fate. Does the half-face mean you don't have the right to live? I'm here with you. I want to complete the incomplete.
In the oppressive darkness, Elara desperately tries to break free. Liam's grip tightens, an unyielding barrier against her escape. He steps deliberately, cutting off her path. In the dim light, his intense gaze searches hers, seeking answers. In the heart of an endless night, Liam stands alone. His voice cuts through the silent darkness.
I accept you with all your abilities. Show your face with confidence. Let me show you how beautiful you are.
In the dimness, Liam gently guides Elara, pulling her up. He leads her towards an opening, a promise of light ahead. Elara steps into the light, blinking against the sudden brightness. Hesitantly, Elara's hand rises, seeking the comfort of her scarf. Liam guides Elara onto a street teeming with life, the air buzzing with the chaotic symphony of city sounds. Cars blare their horns, vendors shout, and hurried footsteps create a frenzied backdrop, yet they seem lost in their own world. The city's pulse intensifies, a roaring wave threatening to engulf them as the world rushes past, indifferent to their plight. Amidst the urban chaos, Liam's determined gaze remains fixed, a silent promise to navigate them through the overwhelming surge. Amidst the bustling street, Elara's eyes reflect a growing unease, her figure lost in the relentless surge of the crowd. Retreating into the shadows, I instinctively raise my hands, shielding myself from the judging eyes of the masses. In the chaos, Liam offers a reassuring presence, his touch a steady anchor against the overwhelming tide. With gentle guidance, Liam's hand urges me forward, navigating the relentless human river with newfound resolve. Together, we move forward, finding strength in each other as we brave the overwhelming chaos of the busy street. Amidst the chaos of the busy street, Liam halts, a gentle resolve in his stance. He turns Elara to face him, his touch light and reassuring, a haven in the storm. His gaze softens, love and reassurance washing over his features as he meets Elara's eyes.
In a moment of quiet amidst the city's relentless pulse, Liam's voice cuts through. See, no one notices. They're all too busy with their own lives.
Amidst the vibrant pulse of the busy street, Liam turns, his gesture encompassing the lively tableau before them. A street performer captivates onlookers with their artistry, embodying the city's spirited soul. Nearby, a couple shares a moment of pure joy, their laughter echoing through the crowded space. A child chases a drifting balloon, their innocent game painting a vivid picture of carefree delight.
Liam's voice cuts through the urban symphony, urging a change. They're living their lives. You should live yours too.
The city swirls around them, a tapestry of life unfolding, a stark reminder of the moments waiting to be seized. Amid the urban symphony, Liam's hardened exterior melts away, replaced by a gaze of profound focus.
His voice, a gentle murmur against the city's roar. You are everything to me, Elara. In a moment of raw vulnerability, he confesses, everything.
The crowded street fades as Liam's world narrows to a single, all-encompassing devotion. His words hang in the air, a testament to a love that transcends the chaos of the city. Amidst the energetic pulse of the busy street, Liam turns away briefly to purchase flowers from a street vendor. Left alone for a fleeting moment, Elara stands still, a gentle breeze caressing her hair. Hope and acceptance begin to bloom within Elara as she observes the energetic bustle of the city around her. The vibrant street pulses with life as Elara embraces the moment. The flowers are delivered, their fragrance mingling with the city air. Amidst the relentless surge of the city, Elara navigates the bustling street, her senses overwhelmed by the cacophony of urban life. A sudden pause, a break in the rhythm, as Elara's attention is snagged by a hushed exchange nearby, stirring her curiosity. A woman's voice cuts through the noise. "Did you see that woman's face?" Liam's voice hit in her ears. "You're already incomplete. How may I complete you?" The words hang in the air, a cryptic invitation that leaves Elara questioning the completeness of her own existence. On the bustling street, Elara's face crumples, her brief moment of confidence shattered by a wave of shame. The vibrant colors of the busy street blur as Elara's world narrows to the despair within. Liam, clutching the flowers, turns to see the devastation etched across Elara's face. The flowers, once symbols of hope, now seem to mock the sorrow reflected in her eyes. She left alone in the sorrow reflected in her eyes. In the heart of the busy street, a silent tableau of shattered hopes and unspoken pain unfolds.